I don't forgot. Stupid. You might. Buzz. Ain't got no money. With my broke ass. No money. I don't. Huh?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
The James family.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I'm sweating. It's hot.
It is hot. Don't live in Texas, y'all, because it's hot.
It's gonna be hot anywhere, not just Texas.
Not only that, and it's not no human, it's just pure heat.
We already paid with the order.
That was fast. They already rated what I ordered. I'm sweating so bad. It's like there's no wind.
I did mention that earlier.
There was wind earlier.
Barely. I barely felt wind. You said Luby's was a buffet, right?
Yeah. Well, it's not really a buffet. Like, you stand in line, order your food, like, because it's like a line of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Like, first they have like the snacks first, so further down is where you can get your vegetables, greens, other stuff, and then further down is where you can get cake.
Yes.
There's like different versions of cake.
You too.
Bags secured, period. They hate and they mad, they furious. I'm never saying that again.
I was actually gonna say something else, but it might have sounded stupid.
What?
With what you were saying.
Say it.
I don't forgot.
Stupid.
You might have to fucking repeat everything.
I will kill you. Where are you? Come here.
Use a sandal. Don't hit me with it.
I think it flew out. I think it was intimidating.
She didn't give me one barbecue sauce.
On my social did.
I am in love. Are you in love? I'm in love too. I agree.
I put it up there. I didn't know you grabbed it.
We gon' clean the car out today. We gon' clean the car. We gon'
wash this. Gonna make it look spotless.
You just throw it outside?
I sure did.
No, you didn't.
Why? It doesn't make it funny.
I mean, it doesn't make it funny, but like, the video can get taken down.
We grown.
But we finna eat our food, y'all. Alright. Hi guys. Ew. I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm at Quick Trip bathroom because we're getting some rose. You know what I'm talking about? We're getting some. Yeah, you already know. Ew, I don't know. Sometimes I look at lights in other people's places. That's not my own. I'm just like, what type of lights are these? But I'm taking a bathroom break. I'm too in the garage for this. I'll get back at you when I'm in the car. And but we gonna go out later and celebrate. I'm a cat.
Okay.
I don't have underarm here. But yeah. Say hello. I'm banking. This is excellent. He's trying to figure out the Wi-Fi number. But we'll be back. Hi guys.
Alright, y'all. So we finna go on a drive to. Just a drive.
Well, we're not going on a drive. We're also going on a drive, but we're also going out to eat. To a little pizza. It's pizza and pasta, right?
Yes, it should be.
Yeah.
I hope that's what it's called. I don't really remember.
Yeah.
I just know the area and where it's at.
It's in Fort Worth. If you guys want to visit, you know, go check it out. Because it's good. Because I remember I had it last time. And not only that, it's cheap too.
It is pretty cheap.
It is.
Not too pricey.
Not too pricey. It's like, probably like two.
Fucking collarbone.
Ew. What?
Put a shirt on.
What's wrong?
I look bony.
He thinks he looks bony. He doesn't even look bad. But see you guys when we get to pizza and pasta. He's him in the background, always being goofy, but alright guys, it's 5:55 on the dot and
5:55 on the dot.
my soul.
What?
Yeah.
Dang, I made it here before 6 o'clock. That was the plan.
And we made it to the place. So we're ready to get out.
Hold on, woman, close your door. I was supposed to open it.
Huh?
Yeah, close your door. Yeah, give me a sec.
You know what? I'll be back to you when we're inside.
That was like 5 seconds.
I'm still in the bathroom, but another question is, do my eyes look like they're bloodshot red? Like, I just wanna, cause do they? Cause I feel like they look bloodshot red right now, and I'm just like, do I look like, you know, but, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that because it's not cute whatsoever. Stop.
Got ourselves our food. I got the spaghetti with red sauce and meatballs. Munching on it.
I got the chicken Alfredo.
That does look good. What would you rate it?
9.2 out of 10.
I thought we only do 9.5. What about the toast? What is that, like garlic cheese?
Garlic bread?
Yeah, no. Ignore what I said. Ignore what I just said. Alright, so garlic bread with cheese on it. What's that?
I like it. I like the crust around it too. Especially with this, it's like so good.
Not gonna lie.
It tastes better.
Nah, that's kind of cheesy.
Oh, that's a good thing. I like cheesy.
I don't know about the meatballs though.
What about the meatballs?
Crunchy.
Crunchy?
Crunchy. Oh, what the hell?
Oh.
I told you.
Oh.
Oh. Bubble face.
That's Gabrielle. That's Gabrielle.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Just up there. Oh, yeah, you about to say.
The thumbnail is when the first thing you see when you click on the video.
Oh. Oh yeah, you did tell me about that. And the subtitle. Get back to the knowledge, y'all. I don't know nothing. Damn.
I was wondering when you were nervous. It's just so much sauce, that's why. Like, you can have like a little sauce, not like a lot. A lot of sauce.
Damn. Roll it down. I don't know if I can keep eating this. I don't know if I can keep eating this. I'm already getting full.
Y'all need to come here. I'm gonna put the name of this place. Like, I'm gonna show it before we come here. Like, show us the clip footage or whatever. But I'm gonna put them right here. Put that in right there. Go check them out. Buzz.
Buzz. Busting food, even though there's something wrong with my appetite.
Yeah, something wrong with it. But just do nothing with that.
Need to cut my beard.
Yeah, I got you. I got it on. Alright, we'll be back with you guys. You know one thing that's like stuck in my head? Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I...
We in the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah.
You swallowed up. It's killing me.
Y'all. Oh, you can see it all around, I'm not even gonna lie.
Hello.
It wasn't so bad. Yeah, that's me. This guy coming through.
What's up, y'all? We woke up from my little nap.
I would go for my nap too.
Yeah, so what you find out? Yeah, see, I'm too skinny.
Yeah.
Everyone became special, didn't
We're about to go to Winco and get groceries.
You watch what you say about Emmett. He saved the universe a few years back.
This guy is a fierce warrior.
Okay, well, technically, I did the war just for him,
So you fought at Maximum and you fought and then that was
well, you know, it's a symbol for that we all have ideas.
But yeah, catching up on. It's funny though.
This cookies. Go get that.
Guys are not going to get fat.
Noodles.
Yeah. It's moving.